Hey guys, what's up? So something interesting happened. Like I was trying to make a video earlier, but there was something happening with my camera and it was saying like memory locked. And I didn't know why or how it even happened. So I ended up not making that video and I went on a downward spiral on YouTube trying to find out what's wrong with my memory card because these memory cards are really expensive and I didn't know like how to even fix it because it was such a weird thing because it was working yesterday. So I actually found the issue after Googling and I'm gonna show you how I made it work. So stay tuned. So after I woke up in the morning, after everything was good, this is what my camera said. So I'm clicking, but there's no way you can video anything. Like, there's no way. So yeah, I ended up not shooting a video that day. So this is the SD card I was talking to you about. So see how everything looks normal. You would think it's normal, but it's actually not. The way you fix it, it's very simple. But do you see this gray thing right here? Well, all you need to do is make it go up. So put the gray thing up, and that's literally how you unlock your SD card. And this made me miss one video. So yeah, I hope it helped you. So after I figured out how to actually fix the memory card, it worked perfectly. I can record perfectly. So I didn't have to buy another memory card, which was what I was actually afraid of. I actually don't want to go to Best Buy because it's actually expensive, and I know you can buy your SD cards on Amazon, but I hope this helped you and I hope you don't have any issues like this in the future. So if you guys want any tips or tricks, go to the link in the description. You're gonna see a PDF with at least 5 tips which will help you in either having a better quality video or avoiding certain issues that may occur while trying to video. And you can enjoy like the resources that I'll provide for you. So I want you to go ahead and watch this video. It'll help you out a lot. So see you in the next one.